Teacher.
Hello, good evening, Huy. How are you?
Okay.
Okay. So, are you ready now to learn?
Yes.
Okay. So, before we start with our new lesson, we will review first on what we had last week. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, if ever you don't hear me clearly, you can tell teacher. Okay? Tell teacher. All right, so now let's start reviewing what we had last meeting. Okay, wait for a while. All right, here we go. Now, wait for a while. Okay, so our lesson last week was about who, what, and where. Do you still remember? The who, what, and where? Again, please read it.
Who was always?
Again, who, what, and where? Go.
Who was and where?
All right. So last week we discussed about how to create a question using who, what, and where. So here, for you to fully understand how to use the word who, what, and where, I have here this one. So if we ask the question who, meaning you are asking about person. Okay? Who is for person. All right? Okay. Can you make a question using the word who? Please make a question using who. Go.
Who?
Okay, question. You ask me who. So I'll ask you, who is your mother? Ah, that is who. How about you? Can you ask a question using the word who? Question.
Who is he?
All right. Who is he? Very good. Because he means person. That's why you use who. Now, let's go to what. Okay, what? What you will use what if you are asking about things. Okay? Things. If it's about things, then you'll do what. Okay? So, example. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? You use what? What else? What did you bring? It is what? Now, how about you? Please make a question with the use of what. Go.
What is your name?
All right. What is your name? What else? What else? What else? Another one.
What is it?
What is it? Very good. Next, if we ask about where, meaning it's about place. Okay? Place. Let's say example. Where do you live? Oh, where? So I am asking the place where you live. Now, can you make a question using where?
Where? Where's your house?
Where is your house? Very good. Where is your house? So, I think you already know how to use who, what, and where. Now here, I made, Mia, teacher Jessa, made an activity for me to check if you know really what is the use of who, what, and where. So you're going to answer this one here. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have here 10 words. You're going to answer whether it is a question with the use of who, what, or where? Just tell me if it's who, what, or where. Okay, first word. What is this one? Please read.
Who,
This one.
who is mother?
Oh, mother. What question are you going to use? Who, what, or where?
Who?
Who? Can you make a question? Mother?
Who is your mom?
Oh, who is your mom or who is your mother? Next. Second word. What's this?
Ball.
Ball. Yes. What are you going to use? Who, what, or where?
What?
What? Because ball is a thing. Next word. The third one. What is this?
Park.
Park. Okay. What question are you going to use? Who, what, or where?
Where?
Where? Because park is a place. Good job. Now, how about this one? Please read. What is this?
Zoo.
Zoo. Okay. What are you going to use? Who, what, or where?
Where?
Where? Because again, zoo is a place. Next word. What do we have here?
Sister.
Sister. What are you going to use?
Mm. Who?
Who? Good job. Next, this one. What is this?
Pen.
Pen. What are you going to use? Pen? Who, what, or where?
What?
What? Good. Next word. This one. What is this?
Living room.
Living room. What are you going to use? Living room?
Where?
Where? Very good. Next, this one. What is this?
School.
School. What are you going to use?
Where?
Where? Next, this one. The ninth word.
Friend.
Friend. What are you going to use? Who, what, or where?
Who?
Oh, and the last word we have here is the book. Okay, what question?
Where? What?
Oh, what? Very good. Great job. So I think we are ready to proceed to another lesson since you know already what is the use of who, what, or where. Okay, so let us go to your next lesson. Okay, let me check. All right, we have here. Okay, there you go. Can you see teacher's screen? Can you see my screen? All right. So we are now at lesson 36, which is about, can you please read it for teacher? What is lesson 36? It's about?
Great game. Great. I don't know.
Can you say the word great again?
Great game.
Games. It's the word S. Games.
Games.
Great.
Great
Hobbies.
hobbies.
Okay. Can you again say what is lesson 36? Who? Lesson 36 is about?
Great games. Great hobbies.
Okay, great games, great hobbies. So we will discuss more what is great games and what are great hobbies. Okay, before we proceed to our lesson, let us first read the vocabulary words. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing in the picture? What is
Play
he?
game.
Playing game. So this is Computer game. Again?
Computer game.
Very good. Computer game. Do you also do computer game? Do you do computer game? Hoy?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah, most of the kids now are using computer for their studies and also for games like the boy here doing. Next, look at this one. Look at the girl. What is the girl doing?
I don't know.
I don't know. There are 4 tasks that the girl is doing. First, what is this? Taking care of the
Baby.
baby. Another one. This one. What is the girl doing here?
Cook.
Cooking. Another one. This one.
Painting.
Painting. Good. Next one. What is this? The last one.
I don't know.
Watering the plants. Okay. The girl here is watering the plants. The girl is giving water to plants. So, this is hobby. You know what is hobby? Do you know what is hobby?
I don't know.
Oh, when we say hobby, those are the things that you like to do when you don't have any work. Okay? When we say hobby, those are things that you do if you don't have work. Let's say, for example, you came from school and after going to school, it's your time to rest, but then you don't want to rest. You want to read books always. So that is what you do on your free time, reading books or playing. So playing and reading books are your hobbies. Okay? You know na understand what is hobby? You understand now, hobby?
Yes.
Good? All right, good. Next. Oh, this one. What is this blue thing here on the screen? What is this? This
Computer.
is
Oh, no.
it is a
Station.
again. How to read this?
Strasser.
It's screen. Again, screen.
Screen.
Yeah, it is a computer screen. The one you will see. Next, another word. All right, what is that? What are those 3 things on the screen? Those are?
Tin.
Teeth. Yes, those are teeth. Okay, what if it's only one? What do you call to the teeth if it's only one?
I don't know.
So if it's only one, you will call it as tooth. Again?
Tooth.
Oh, yeah. This EE will become OOTH, tooth. But this one, it's 3. It's 3. So you will call this as teeth. But if it's only one, you will call it as tooth. Oh, next. Okay. What is the boy doing? Look at the picture.
Happy run.
Happy. Okay, the boy is happy. And that is a picture of being
Enjoy.
enjoy means you like what you're doing. You are enjoying. You like it. Okay, that's enjoy. Next, how about the third picture? What is it? Third picture.
Swim.
Swim. Or, yeah, swimming. Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim? Yes, very good. You know what? When I was still young, like your age, I don't know how to swim. But now that I'm old, now I know already. Okay. Because before, I'm so afraid in swimming because I don't know. But now, I am good at it. But you're good already. So, great job for you, Huy, because you know already. All right, next. Look at the picture. What is in the picture? Can you, what? Yes? What is it?
Fish.
A fish. Yes, there are fish. What else? What else are there in the screen? What else?
Fishing.
Fishing. What else? There's a lot of it there. What else can you see there? Look at the screen. What can you see?
Number.
Numbers. Yes, numbers. Very good. What else?
Monkey.
A monkey. And where is the monkey? The monkey is in the
Coconut tree.
coconut tree. All right. Now here, I have here questions for you to answer. Next, what can you see on the computer screen? You said it already. You said fish, numbers, fishing, monkey in the coconut tree. Next question. What do you play with? Who do you play with? Diba? Alright. You said a while ago that you also play computer games. Now, can you tell me who do you play with? Who's with you while playing?
Fishing. Play with fishing.
Who do you play with during playing time? You. Who do you play with? When you play computer games, do you play with your mom or your friends? Or your brother? Who do you play?
Friend.
All right, you play with your friends. Good. Next. Here. Oh, look at the boy. Okay. Is this a man or a woman? Look at the picture. Is this a man or a woman?
A man.
A man. Okay, it is a man who is fishing. Next. What's the man doing? The man is
Fishing.
fishing or catching fishes. Next. Okay, so this is Kim's new computer game. Right. Next. What are the missing words? You can choose, then listen to the answer. All right, here for a while. So I have here an audio that I will ask you to answer. Okay? Before answering, you have to listen first. Okay? Listen carefully so that you can answer the questions. Okay? Tell me if you hear it, if you can hear it or not. All right? Okay,
Yes.
let's try. Okay, did you hear it? Did you hear it, Huy?
No.
There's no audio. Okay, wait. I'll put audio here. All right. There you go. Wait for a while.
36A. Great games, great hobbies. Listen to the answers.
Kim likes playing me in the evening. She sits.
I hear it.
sits on her chair.
Listen to the answers.
Kim likes playing me in the evening. She sits on her chair and plays me on her new computer. There's an old man in me. He's catching lots of small fish. They're swimming in the sea. Can you see the numbers on their tails? Can you see the monkey on the tree too? It likes eating bananas. Kim and her dad are really good at playing me. They can listen to funny music on me too. What am I? I'm a computer game.
All right, now it's time for us to answer the question that we have here, okay? So I will let you listen to this one more time and you're going to tell me the answer. All right, Huy?
Yes.
All right, so here.
36A. Great games, great hobbies. Listen to the answers.
Kim likes playing me in the evening. She sits on her chair and plays me on her new computer.
All right, wait.
There's an old
Okay, now here, question number 1. Kim likes playing in the evening. Okay, she sits on her blank. What's the answer?
Chair.
Chair. Let's try to check if it's a chair. Very good. And place me on her new
Computer.
computer. Let's try to check if it's computer number 2. Hi, great job. Okay, next sentence. All right, listen again.
in me. There's an old man in me. He's catching.
Okay, there's an old blank in me. What is the missing word there?
Dad.
There's an old blank in me. What's the answer again?
Yes.
Listen again now. Listen. Okay, here we go.
There's an old man in me.
What was that?
Man.
Man. All right, let's try to check if it's a man. Great job. Yes, it's a man. So there's an old man in me. Next, listen.
He's catching lots of small fish.
He's catching lots of small
Fish.
fish. Let's try to check if it's fish. All right. Very good. Next sentence.
They're swimming in the sea. Can you see the numbers on their tails?
All right.
Number.
They're swimming in the sea. Can you see the what? The
Number.
numbers. Okay, let's try to check. Oh, very good. Can you see the numbers on its tail?
Can you see the monkey on the tree too?
Can you see the blank on the tree too? What's the answer?
Monkey.
Monkey. Let's try to check if number 6 is monkey. Wow, very good. Now let's continue.
It likes eating bananas. Kim and her dad are really good at playing me.
Okay, what's the answer? Number 7? It's
Dad.
Dad. Let's try to check if it's Dad. Wow, great job, Huy. Okay, listen, continue.
They can listen to funny music on me too. What am I?
Funny music.
Funny music. Okay, let's try to check if it's funny music. Very good. Perfect. Now here, since you completed already the passage or the story, can you read it for teacher? Please read. Please read, Hoy. Everything here. Go. Kim?
Kim like playing me and moving
In the evening. Evening. Again?
evening.
Good. Next.
She's sitting on her chair and play with my computer.
Place me on her new computer. Again. Place me.
Play me on her new computer. There's an old man eat me. He's counting lots of small fish.
Fish. Again. Fish.
Fish.
Good.
They are swimming in the sea. Can you see the number and the on their toes?
Tails. Again. Tails.
Tail.
Good.
Can you see the monkey on the tree? Too. It's like eating banana. Kim and her dad and Riley. Our lady
Really?
really got
Good.
good at playing me. Can listen to funny music on me to choose. What am I? I am a computer game.
Very good. So I am a computer game. Very good. Great job. You answered it perfectly. Now here. Okay. Here we go. So this is the one that you've read a while ago. So teacher will read it again. So Kim likes playing me in the evening. She sits on her chair and plays me on her new computer. There's an old man in me. He's catching lots of small fish. They're swimming in the sea. Can you see the numbers on their tails? Can you see the monkey on the tree too? It likes eating bananas. Kim and her dad are really good at playing me. They can listen to funny music on me too. What am I? I'm a computer game. So here are some words that are in bold. Okay? So can you please read the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words again? Go. What's this one? How to say this? His. Okay. His is a short form for he is. Okay. This is the short one. The one that we discussed a while ago. If there is a hyphen. This one. What's this?
Fish.
Fish. Good. How about this one? How to read this word?
There.
There. Good. There. This is the short form for they are. Next. What is this? Monkey. Yes, a monkey. This one. How to read the word?
Eat.
It. Okay. His, fish, their, monkey, it. So these are some words that you can see in the passage. So here we go. He is, his, their, monkey, and it. Good. Next. Okay, look at the letters and write the words. Okay, I will help you write the words. So there are jumbled letters, letters that are not written properly. Now here, number 1. What is number
Game.
1? Game. How to spell game?
G-A-E-M.
G-A-M. What's next to M? G-A-M.
No. G-I-E-M.
All right, I will write it for you. Oh, wait, I'm gonna make it small. Okay, letter G. Next to G, letter
I-E-M.
M. Is that the spelling of game?
Oh, no.
No. Again. Spelling of game.
G-I-M-E.
G M E. Is that the correct spelling of game?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about number 2? What is in number 2? Look at the picture of number 2.
Boat.
A boat. Yes, a boat. Now, can you give me the correct spelling of the word boat? Spell.
B-O-A-T.
B-O-A-T. Boat. Next. How about here in number 3? Oh, wait. Here in number 3. Go, number 3. What is number 3? Kite. Yes. Now, can you tell me the spelling of kite?
K.
K.
I.
I.
T-E.
T-E. Kite. All right. Next. How about in number 4? What is in number 4, Huy? Number 4. Again?
Plan.
Plane. Not plane. It's plane. Again? Plane.
Plan.
Plane. Aim. Plane. Go.
Plan.
Oh, plane. Again, plane. Not plan.
Plan.
Play. Plane.
Play.
Oh, plane. Again,
Play.
there's N at the last. Plane.
Plane.
Oh, good. Plane. Now, spell the word plane.
B-L-E-A-N.
A. What's next to A?
A-N.
E-N? Are you sure that is the spelling of plane?
No.
No.
N-E.
N-E. Is that the correct spelling for plane?
Yes.
Yes. Great job. Okay. How about the 5th word? What is the 5th word? Word number 5. What is that?
Monkeys.
A monkey. Now, can you give me the correct spelling of the word monkey?
M-O-N.
M-O-N.
K.
K-E.
Y.
Y. All right. Monkey. Now, it's time for us to know if our answer is correct. Okay, go to number 1. What is number 1 again? It is?
Game.
Game. Let's try to check if it's a game. Game. Very good. G-A-M-E. Good. How about number 2? What is number 2? Number
Boat.
2 is boat.
Boat.
Okay, let's try to check. Very good. B-O-A-T. Boat. How about number 3? What is number 3?
Cat.
Kite. Again, kite. Kite. Let's try to check. Great job. It's K-I-T-E. Next, number 4. What is number 4 again?
Plane.
Plane. Again.
Plane.
Plane. Let's try to check. Very good. Next, number 5. What is number 5?
Monkey.
Monkey. Let's try to check if monkey is correct. Very good. Monkey. Now, do you like this toy? Do you like these toys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So, among all the toys here, what do you like most? What do you like most here? What do you like, man? Game, boat, kite, plane, or monkey? There are 5. Choose only one.
Game.
Game, yes, because game is exciting. Okay, next. Very good, Huy. Project. What's this? Design and draw a robot. Do you know what's this?
Robot.
It's a robot. There are many countries who use robot in doing their task in the house. There is a robot that will clean. There is a robot that will help you. All right. So I will not let you make this one. Okay. So please read the one below, Huy. Can you please read this one? So this
is a Super X robot.
It
can walk
and
run and waving.
Wave, not waving, it's wave. Again?
Wave.
All right. Next. It can
picking up.
Pick up. It's not picking up, it's pick up.
Pick up things.
Things. Again, things.
Things.
Good. And
it can like burgers.
Burgers. Next.
Burgers is very good at talking and fishing.
It
is good at playing football too.
Very good. So listen as I read it, okay? So there are words here that you mispronounce. A little words, little only. Okay, I will read it for you, and please, after I will read, you'll read it again with the correct pronunciation. All right? Okay, listen to teacher first. So this is Super X robot. It can walk and run and wave. It can pick up things and it can make burgers. It's very good at talking and fishing. It's good at playing football too. Now it's your time to read it. Go. I will listen.
This is a Super X robot. I can walk and run and wave. It can pick up things and it can make burger. It's very good at talking and fishing, and it's good at playing football too.
Okay. Can you say this word? How about read this one? This word here. The one I am pointing.
Monkey.
It's make, not make. Make. Again?
Make.
Make. How about this one? How to read this? It's a food. What is this?
Burger.
Burgers. Again, burgers.
burgers.
Yes, make burgers, not make, okay? Make burgers. Go.
Make burger.
Very good. So don't forget that one. Make burgers. Okay, listen and color. Okay, color. All right. All right. Now here, what can you see in the picture in this playground? Find 6 things. Look at the things there. What are they doing here? There are 6 things in the picture. First, what we have here? Can you give me first word? Things. Things. This one, what is this?
Kite.
Right. This one.
Bag.
Bag. How about this one?
Dog.
Dog. How about this one?
Box.
Books. Again?
Box.
Yeah, books. This one.
Pencil.
Pencil. This one.
Car.
Car. This one.
Motorbike.
Motorbike. This one.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. And this one is?
Lorry.
Oh, or a truck. Okay, here. I have here something. Okay, so what are the children doing in the picture? Look at there. What are they doing? They are
Play.
playing. Yes, so I have here an activity for you to do. You're going to color, but before coloring it, you have to listen first to what it says here. All right.
36C. Great games, great hobbies. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Can you see the ball on the table?
Yes, I can.
Good. Color the ball on the table orange.
Orange?
Yes, please.
Can you see the orange ball on the table? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
The dog's playing with a ball.
Pardon?
The dog's playing with a ball.
Oh, yes. Can I color it yellow?
Yellow. Yes.
Okay. Now, find the ball that is the dog playing. Color it yellow. Come on. Find the ball where the dog is playing. Color it yellow. Ah, very good. Okay, next.
2.
One girl is kicking a ball.
Can I color the girl's ball blue?
Blue? Yes, you can.
All right. Find the girl who is kicking the ball and color it blue. Ah, great. Toy, very good. Next.
Thank you.
3.
A boy is sitting on the ground. There's a ball behind him.
There's a ball behind the boy. That's right.
Can I color that ball red?
Yes, you can color it red.
Okay, find the boy who is sitting and there is a ball at his back. Color it red. Okay, red. Oh, you found it. Great job. You understand what you heard. Okay, next.
4.
There's a ball between the school bags, too.
Yes, there is. Can I color the ball between the bags pink?
Sorry, pink?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Find the ball between the school bags and color it pink. Right? Color the ball between the...
Pink.
Oh, what do you have there? Do you have orange
No, orange.
or red? Okay, just color it red. Come on. Find the ball between the school
Red?
bag. Yeah. Since you don't have pink, you'll just use red. Right? Red. Great.
5.
Now, the ball in the boy's hand. Can you see it?
Yes, he's holding it. Can I color it purple?
Purple? Yes, you can.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, now color the last
I don't know
task.
purple.
Oh, how about black? You have black? Hoy, do you have black in there?
Black. Yes.
Okay, yes, use black since you don't have purple. Now find the boy who is holding the ball and color it black. All right, great job. You did a great work tonight. You found the ball in different places. Okay, next. Okay, how many balls are there in the picture? Can you tell me how many balls?
6.
Okay, so you will say there are
6 balls.
6 balls. All right, there are 6 balls. Next. One ball in the picture has a color. Where is this ball? Okay, where was the ball with the color already? Where is it? Where is the ball? The first one with color. Can you tell me where? In the?
Under
On the?
garden.
Ah, this one. Where is the ball? This one. Where is it? On the?
On the table.
On the table. Yes, it's on the table. So, what color is it? It is color? It is color? What's the color of the ball on the table? Color?
Orange.
Orange. Great. It's orange. All right. You colored it properly. Can you remove?
Yes.
Okay, please remove. All right. Now here. Which is Tom, Alex, and Lucy? Draw lines. Okay, look at here. Okay, Tom has got black hair in pushing bike. So this is Tom. All right. Here, Alex is in the playground. She loves watching TV. All right. The girl is in a blue dress. Can you encircle or draw line to where is Alex?
Okay.
Okay. No, Alex is wearing a yellow t-shirt.
Oh, yellow t-shirt.
Encircle. Alright, next. There's my friend Tom. He enjoys fishing. Okay, the boy with red hair, that is Tom. Can you find Tom for me? Tom has a red hair. All right, great job. So this first This is Alex is wearing a yellow t-shirt. The girl with the kite. All right. Next. Can you please erase?
Yes.
Okay. So what are your hobbies, Hui? If you have free time, what are your hobbies?
I don't know.
During whenever after class or after school, what do you do on your free time? Do you watch TV, read books, play? What else?
Both.
Again?
Both.
Both. You play and read books. So these are examples of hobbies. Look at the girl. What is the girl doing in the picture? The girl is? The girl is?
It draws.
Drawing. Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Oh, yes. So these are examples of hobbies. And this one, they are doing puzzles. Do you know how to play puzzles? Wait.
No.
No, this one is a puzzle. You're going to fix it until you complete it. Okay. These are pieces of puzzles. They are rumbled together and then you are given time to fix it in order and form something. How about this girl? What is the girl doing? The girl
Game.
is playing what? Playing what? The girl is playing. How about this game? What is chess? Do you know how to play chess?
Pink.
Do you know how to play this one? This kind of game? Look at here.
Yes.
Very good. Playing chess. And the last boy, what is he doing? The boy is?
Computer game.
Playing computer games. So you will say, I like, and then the verb plus ing. Now here, what do you like the most? Can you tell me? I like, what's your hobby? I like, again?
I like.
Here, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you like the most? I
like play chess.
playing chess. Okay, you will say, I like playing chess. Go.
I like playing chess.
Not cheese, chess.
I like playing chess.
Very good. I like playing chess. So play game, we're making a long words. Now here, can you read this to me? Wait. Please read the words. Go.
Cup by play basket. Board, chair, classroom, book,
Oh wait. Case. It's not case. Case.
case,
Okay, next.
ball, glass, foot, motor, ball, room, gallery, pant,
Okay, how to read this? Ground. Again?
ground.
All right. And pass. Here, check and answer. All right. So these are what we call as compound words. Two words put together and have another meaning. Now, please read the compound words. Go.
Bookcase, armchair, cupboard, motorpie, playground, basketball, football, classroom, bathroom.
Okay, so these are what we called as compound words. Two different words put together and have another word. Like for example, book and case, if you put together, they will become bookcase. Okay? Look at this one. Armchair. Where does armchair came from? From the word arm and chair. If we put together, it will become armchair. Okay? Cup plus board will become cupboard. Motor plus bike will become motorbike. Okay, motorbike. Play and ground put together, playground. Basket plus ball put together, basketball. Foot and ball will become football. Class and room, classroom, and then bath plus room are what will become bathroom. So those are compound words. When we say compound words, those are two different words that are put together and have another word. Understand, Hoy? You get it? It's so easy. Compound words. Okay, I will not give homework, okay? Just not make this one because you did already a homework yesterday. So I'll give homework next meeting, okay? I will not give homework every day, okay? So that it will not be very hard for you, okay? Understand? You learned? Did you learn tonight? Oi? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, did you learn tonight? Did you learn? All right, very good. So I will see you on Saturday because I will not be around on Thursday because it's New Year. So advance Happy New Year and I will see you on Saturday. Okay?
Yes.
Hello. Okay, because Tuesday is New Year's Day, so I will have a New Year celebration with my family here in our country. Okay, it's holiday here, that's why no work. All right.
Yes.
Okay, see you on Saturday. Goodbye. Have a great night.
Teacher.
Bye. Thank you for your homework. Very good. Okay, keep up the good work. You're a smart kid. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye.